Yo mama jokes are probably the most cliche jokes in history, but you've probably heard every single one of them, at least maybe you've said a few, but you've never heard them like this.
Well, Yo Mama's got so much game that she couldn't even store it on that tablet. Come on! Your mom's so fashion forward, the future girl, they want those hot tops back. Oh! Well, Yo Mama's so fiscally responsible, she got all that on free layaway.
Yo mama's so fiscally responsible.
Yeah.
No, it was free layaway.
Free layaway.
Bam. Oh my gosh.
boy.
Did you guys ever do that in school, like yo mama jokes? Was that a thing
Yeah, I just remember
They were a lot worse, though.
the
it
refrigerator
was the
Perry
other one,
one
yeah.
about like your mama's so big she could be a refrigerator as a pager or something. I don't know. See, I'm blowing it.
for you? We used to
altogether.
say your mama's
Dumb.
so big she sat on a rainbow and Skittles popped out.
popped out.
Oh, I missed that one, but I like it.
Well, what I love, in case you guys didn't catch it, it was a Kmart, new commercial for Kmart, and they
Yes.
are the same ones who did Ship My Pants.
Yes.
And big gas savings.
And big gas
Big
savings.
gas
So
savings.
whoever's working there, kudos to you, man.
yeah,
Doing a great
they're
job.
really winning right now with those things.
Their
They're all over the
advertising
place.
agency has definitely hit all those phenomenal points because when you look at it, people sort of forgot about Kmart or kind of pushed it
Yeah.
off to the side. And now it's got people talking. And the Ship My Pants one was so effective because they're talking about shopping online.
Yeah.
So if you don't want to go into Kmart for the blue light special, go
online.
online and you got everything there available to you. So it was genius on so many levels.
You can't go
I love
wrong
that.
using
They're
kids, especially
so
when they're
cute.
this cute.
Yeah.
I mean, you're going to win all around.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.